Good morning, Tigers. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. It is time for our daily announcements. We will start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will pause for a moment of silence. Now we will say our school pledge. At all times, I will do my best to be respectful, responsible, produce quality work, follow all school rules, and help others achieve their goals for an excellent school year. We have some birthdays to celebrate. We had one birthday yesterday, May 14th, Alan Velasquez in 4th grade. Happy birthday, Alan. We hope you had a wonderful day. Today we have one birthday, Messiah Holly in kindergarten. Happy birthday, Messiah. We hope you're having a really fun day today. All right, our announcements for today. Paper packets for this week and next week can be picked up from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock today. Your belongings are ready for pickup in the front entrance. Just ring the bell at the front entrance to the school and we will help you get those belongings gathered up. Your teacher has them ready to go for you. Also, if you have school library books or you're a member of the orchestra, you can bring those items to the school to turn them in. Don't forget the Northwest Elementary Virtual Talent Show. You can turn in a video of your talent to Miss Nallen by today, and it may end up in our virtual talent show, which will be aired next Friday, May 22nd. Our 5th grade parents and families need to save the date for a drive-through 5th grade celebration on Friday, June 5th at 6 o'clock in the evening. Please save that date and time to come and celebrate with us the completion of 5th grade. More details to come soon. All right, our positivity project focus this week is the other people matter mindset. Remember your tiger paws as you keep working today. Be prepared, be accepting and respectful, be willing to learn, and be safe. Have a fantastic Friday, Tigers. We miss you.